Meet Maya. She's at the mall with her mom, and she just spotted the most amazing jacket, originally $48, now on sale for 75% off. She grabs her phone to figure out the sale price. But wait, she doesn't know how. Sound familiar? Whether it's a sale tag, a sports score drop, or a stock price falling, percent decrease is everywhere. Today, we're going to unlock that math together. Let's go. So, what exactly is percent decrease? It's when a value goes down, and we measure that drop as a percentage of the original amount. Think about it. When a store marks down a jacket, the price is decreasing. When a basketball team's score drops in the second half, that's a decrease too. The key word here is original. Percent decrease always compares the change to where you started, not where you ended up. Keep that in mind. It's super important. Here's the magic formula, and once you know it, you'll use it forever. Percent decrease equals the amount of decrease divided by the original value, times 100. That's it. 3 steps. First, subtract to find how much it went down. Second, divide that drop by the original number. Third, multiply by 100 to turn it into a percent. Here, let's see it written out nice and clear, so you can write it in your notes right now. Let's slow down and really nail each step. Step 1, find the amount of decrease. Just subtract the new value from the original. Step 2, divide that decrease by the original value. This gives you a decimal. Step 3, multiply by 100 to convert that decimal into a percent. For example, if your decimal is 0.25, multiply by 100 and you get 25%. And always divide by the original, not the new value. That's the most common mistake students make, and you're not going to make it. Here's something cool. The percent decrease formula works 2 different ways. Sometimes a problem tells you the original and new price and asks you to find the percent. Other times, the problem gives you the original price and the percent off and asks for the new price. Maya will run into both types of problems today. Both start with the same formula. You just solve for a different piece. Ready to see this in action? Let's watch Maya tackle her first real example. Okay, here we go. Maya's jacket moment. The jacket originally costs $80 and it's on sale for $60. What is the percent decrease? Step 1, find the decrease. 80 minus 60 equals 20. The jacket dropped by $20. Step 2, divide by the original. 20 divided by 80 equals 0.25. Step 3, multiply by 100. 0.25 times 100 equals 25. The jacket is 25% off. Maya does a happy dance. She totally nailed it, and so did you. Maya spots a pair of sneakers originally priced at $120, now selling for $90. What's the percent decrease? Step 1, 120 minus 90 equals 30. The price dropped by $30. Step 2, 30 divided by 120 equals 0.25. Step 3, 0.25 times 100 equals 25%. Another 25% off. Maya is on a roll. Notice that even though the dollar amounts are different from the jacket, the percent decrease is the same. That's the power of percentages. They let us compare fairly. Now let's flip it. Maya finds a $48 backpack that's 25% off. What's the sale price? This time we know the percent. We need the new price. First, find the amount of decrease. 25% of $48 means 0.25 times 48, which equals 12. So the backpack drops by $12. Then subtract. 48 minus 12 equals 36. The sale price is $36. Easy, right? Maya pays $36 for the backpack and saves $12. That's real math doing real work. Percent decrease isn't just for shopping. Marcus's favorite basketball team scored 110 points last game, but only 88 points this game. What's the percent decrease in their score? Step 1, 110 minus 88 equals 22. The score dropped by 22 points. Step 2, 22 divided by 110 equals 0.2. Step 3, 0.2 times 100 equals 20%. The team score decreased by 20%. See? Percent decrease works for anything that goes down. Prices, scores, temperatures, you name it. One more for extra practice. A video game console was $240 and is now on clearance for $180. What's the percent decrease? Step 1. 240 minus 180 equals 60. The price dropped $60. Step 2. 60 divided by 240 equals 0.25. Step 3. 0.25 times 100 equals 25%, a 25% markdown. Maya sees this deal and calls it a must-buy. Let's also double-check. 25% of 240 is 0.25 times 240, which is 60, and 240 minus 60 is 180. Checks out perfectly. Before we wrap up, let's talk about the sneaky mistakes people make, so you can avoid them. Mistake number 1, dividing by the new value instead of the original. Always divide by where you started. Mistake 2, forgetting to multiply by 100. Without that step, you get a decimal, not a percent. Mistake 3, subtracting in the wrong order. It's always original minus new, not the other way around. Catch these and you'll ace every percent decrease problem. Maya learned all of these the hard way, but now she's a pro. Here's your quick reference card. Screenshot this or write it in your notes. The percent decrease formula. Take the original minus the new to get the decrease amount. Then divide that decrease by the original and multiply by 100. If you need the new price instead, use new equals original times 1 minus the decimal percent. So 25% off means you multiply by 0.75. These two formulas cover everything. Parents, this is a great one to quiz your kids on before their next test. Remember when Maya was standing in the mall, staring at that 75% off sign and had no idea what to do? Now she's calculating markdowns in seconds, checking her work, and even helping her friends find the best deals. That's exactly what you just learned to do too. Percent decrease. Subtract to find the drop, divide by the original, multiply by 100. 3 steps, 1 formula, and